Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can turning black and white video using CapCut. So tap on your project, select your video or just photos you like to edit, and I'm going to select my project. So to turning black and white video, you can select filter and then select filters, or yes, filters, and you can find B and W filters. Just click on it and adjust for the opacity like this. Just click check marks and you can getting black and white video. It's so simple, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut apps for the first time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.